Fifth question. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling oranges kept in packing baskets. These baskets contained varying number of oranges. The following was the distribution of oranges. Here given the table. Here the table. Here number of oranges is, and number of oranges is class interval. Number of baskets is frequency. Here we need to find the mean number of oranges kept in each basket. Which method of finding the mean did you choose here? In the table given, classes are inclusive classes, so change into exclusive classes by adding minus 0.5 to lower limit and 0.5 to upper limit respectively. Then we get 9.5 this class interval. Here frequencies, write frequencies. Now find mid values. I already explained previous problems how to find mid values. Just add 9.5 plus 14.5 is 24 by 2 is 12. Here 34 by 2 17. Here if you add we will get 44 by 2 22. Here if we add we get 54 by 2 27. Here 64, if we add we get 64 by 2 is 32. Now here we assume 22 is the A. We should assume mid values, then it is easy to calculate. You can assume any as your wish. If you want to assume 12, you can do it. You will get the same answer. Now di is equal to xi minus a. Here xi is these values. A is 22. 12 minus 22 minus 10. 17 minus 22 minus 5. 22 minus 22 0. 27 minus 22 5. 32 minus 22 10. Now find mu I value. Mu I is equal to di by h. Here di is minus 10. H is height, is nothing but difference between the lower limit and upper limit. Here difference is 4 in all interval classes. Height is 4. Here di minus 10 by 4. Here height is 5. Here minus 10 by 5 is minus 2. Minus 5 by 5 is 1. Here 0 by 5 is 0. Here 5 by 5 is 1. Here 10 by 5 is 2. If we cancel we get 2. Here now find multiplication fi mu I. Here fi is frequency 15 and mu I is this one. Multiply 15 into minus 2 minus 30. 110 into 1 minus 1 here minus 110. Here 135 into 0 is 0. 115 into 1 115. Here 25 into 2 50. Now add negative values. First now we will find sigma mu I fi mu I. For that first we add negative values, then we get minus 30 minus 110 minus 140. Now add positive values, then we get 100 plus 165. Our answer is Our answer is 25. Sigma mu I fi mu I is 25. Now here sigma fi is, add all frequency values, then we get, if we add all frequency then we get 400. Now write mean formula. Here A is 22 plus sigma mu I fi is 25 by sigma fi is 400. Here height is 5. Here 5 1 ja 5 8 ja 0. Now cancel 5 5 ja 5 16 ja. Here write remaining values 22 plus 5 by 16. If we divide, we get 5 by 16. If we divide, we get 0.31. See here, not possible now, right? Here in 16 table 5 not possible, so write 0 point here. 16 3 ja 48. Here 10 minus 2 borrow, 10 minus 8 is 2. Point is there, now write 0. 16 1 ja 16. In this way I found 0.31. Now add 22.0.22 plus 0.31, then we get 22.31. This is the mean value. Here I choose step deviation method. Sixth question. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Here they given the table. Find mean daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. Here daily expenditure is a class interval and number of households is frequency. In this question we need to find mean value. Now here write class intervals and frequency in the table. I already explained how to find mid values in previous videos. Here mid value is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 100 plus 150 by 2 is 250. 250 by 2 is 125. 125. Here add, we will get 350. 350 by 2 is 175. Here 450 by 2 is 225. Here 250 300 is 550. We get 275. Here 600 plus 350 plus 300 is 650. We get 325. Now find di is equal to xi minus a. Here I assume 175 is a. You can assume any mid value as your wish. Here xi minus 175 a. 125 minus 175. 125 minus 175 is minus 50. Here 175 minus 175 is 0. Here 225 minus 175 is 50. Here 275 minus 175 is 100. Here 325 minus 175 is 150. Now find mu I. Mu I is equal to di by h. Here h is nothing but difference between the upper limit minus lower limit is 50 in all intervals. So here di is minus 50. Minus 50 by 50 is minus 1. Here 0 by 50 is 0. Here 50 by 1 is 50 by 50 is 1. Here 100 by 50 2. Here 150 by 50 3. Now multiply fi mu I. Here fi is 4. Mu I is minus 1 minus 4. Here 15 into 0 is 0. Here 12 into 1 is 12. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. Now find sigma fi mu I. Here minus 4. Add all fi mu I. Minus 4. 12 plus 4 16. 16 plus 6 22. 22 minus 4 18. Here fi mu I is 18. In the question already given sigma fi. Sigma fi is 25. Here if we add these frequencies we get 25. Now write mean formula. Here x bar is equal to a is equal to 175 plus sigma fi mu I is 18 by sigma fi is 25 into height h is 50. Here 25 1 ja 25 2 ja 175 plus 18 2 ja 36. This will be x bar is equal to 211 rupees. Therefore, so mean daily expenditure on food of household is 211. Seventh question. To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million, that is ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Concentration of SO2 in ppm. This is class interval. Frequency. This is frequency. Now here find mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Now write here class interval and frequency in the table. Here find mid values. Mid value is nothing but lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Here 0.00 plus 0.04 is 0.02. Here if we add we get 0.06. If we add this one we get 0.10. Here if we add we get 0.14. If we add we get 0.18. If we add we get the value is, if we add and divide by 2 we get the value is 0.22. Here now find di is equal to xi minus a. Here we assume 0.10 is a. Here 0.02 minus 0.10 is 0.08. Here minus 0.04. Here 0.10 minus 0.10 is 0. Here 0.14 minus 0.10 is 0.04. Here 0.08. Here 0.12. Now find mu I. Mu I is di by h. Here h is nothing but, difference is nothing but, sorry, here height is nothing but 0.04. Difference between 0.04 and 0.0. Here height is nothing but difference between the upper limit and lower limit. Here 0.04 minus 0.00 is 0.04 by di. Then we get minus 2. Here 0.04 by 0.04 is minus 1. Here 0.04 by 0.04 is 1. Here 0.08 by 0.04 is 2. Here 0.12 by 0.04 is 3. Now multiply Fi mu I. Here Fi is frequencies. This 4 9. Here mu I 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. 9 into 0 0. Here 2 into 1 2. 4 into 2 8. 2 into 3 6. Now find sigma Fi mu I values. Now first add negative values. Here minus 8 minus 9 is minus 17. Now add positive values. 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 6 16. Here plus 16. Here bigger value has negative. So our answer also negative, minus 1. Here minus 1. Now add sigma Fi. Here we get 30. If we add we get 30. Now write mean formula. Here we have all values. Here x bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi into h. Here a is 0.10. Sigma Fi mu I is, here sigma Fi mu I is minus 1 by sigma Fi is 30 into h. H is here 0.04 is equal to here 0.10 plus into minus minus. Here 1 into 0.4 0.04 by 30. Here 0.10. If we divide 0.04 by 30 is 0.001 0.33. If we subtract, we get 0.09867. Therefore, mean concentration of sulfur is equal to 0.9867 ppm.